Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. Honorable Speaker Sir, I rise to present the budget estimates for the financial year 2020-21 before this August House. This is the first budget of the government formed in Delhi for the third time under the leadership of Chief Minister Shri Arvind Kejriwal, and I feel privileged that I have the opportunity to present the budget proposal in this House for the sixth consecutive time as the Finance Minister. It is a matter of great pride and happiness for all the newly elected members of this House, as they have won the trust and confidence of the citizens of Delhi. The citizens of Delhi, under the leadership of Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, have expressed their unwavering faith in the Kejriwal model of governance over the last 5 years, which fills my heart with sincere gratitude and respect to the beloved sisters and brothers of Delhi. Sir, I am presenting this budget at a time when the whole world, including India, is struggling with the corona COVID-19 epidemic. Thousands of people have lost their lives worldwide due to the epidemic. Doctors from all over the world are working together to save the millions of people in the grip of it, and are trying to save entire human race from its wrath. Before presenting the budget proposal, I intend to pay respect to all the medical staff and doctors on behalf of this House and on behalf of the government, who are trying to save all of us by putting their lives at risk. On behalf of the government, I assure the House and the entire people of Delhi that whatever steps are required to be taken to deal with this epidemic, it will be taken and required fund will be provided. Sir, we promised to make Delhi a world-class city when the people of Delhi elected our government for the first time in 2015. I say this with great pride and heartfelt happiness that we have been very successful in this direction. As a result of the efforts of the last 5 years, today Delhi has been recognized as a model of development. Delhi is being recognized for its new initiative and a new thinking towards education, health services, social welfare, and social security measures taken to improve the standard of living and quality of life of the common man. Sir, under the able leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, this government has fulfilled many of its election promises and has established an efficient model of governance. Today, this model has been recognized as Kejriwal model of governance across the country. People not only from the country but also from all over the world have come to see and understand this model in the last 5 years. The basic foundation of the Kejriwal model of governance is guaranteeing the best possible education to every child in Delhi. I want to make it clear that we are not the first ones to begin educational planning in the country. There have been institutions like IITs, IIMs in our country which we did not establish. Thousands of children have been receiving excellent education in schools, colleges, and universities in the country for decades. We did not get them started. There has been work on education in the past, but the drawback was that only 5% of children were provided with excellent education and 95% of children were left with ordinary education. We have transformed this. Today in Delhi, work is being done to provide every child, even the child of the poorest, the same good education as the good education of a child from a well to do family. In the last 5 years, the Kejriwal model of governance has provided that governments can provide excellent education to every child if they so desire. The second important component of Kejriwal model of governance is good health services for all. Providing good health services to a few people and leaving the rest of the people at the mercy of the ailing system has been the norm earlier. The Kejriwal model of governance has been recognized for putting best efforts to provide good treatment to every person, starting from mohalla clinics to government and private hospitals, implementing schemes like Delhi Ke Farishte in order to save the lives of the people in road accidents, whether rich or poor. And I am happy that many state governments of the country are trying to adopt this model today. Similarly, steps like providing 24/7 electricity at the lowest rate in the country to every citizen of Delhi, providing water, free Wi-Fi, street lights, and CCTV installation in streets, providing basic facilities in unauthorized colonies, etc., by Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal towards modernization has increased the confidence of the common citizen of Delhi in this government. From the documents like ration card, birth certificate, etc., to the duplicate of the documents of the car and property papers, the common people had to suffer the brunt of the government offices.